Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So we just had a Grand Design Imagine come in. Let me check and see what year it is. But they brought it in for a broken shackle link, and we're gonna go ahead and upgrade them to the Dexter Easy Flex kit. And this guy is a 2022. So again, this is a Grand Design Imagine. I don't know if he hit something or went over something hard, but he came in today and told our advisor, like, hey, I follow you guys online, and guess what broke? Guess what I need to replace? So let's go see. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm walking up here first time with you. Oh, sure enough, look at that. Broke right off. So see how that broke off like that? What that tells you is that's a sign of that they didn't do any maintenance. Now let's see on the other side. So spring keeper is also shifted. So it's that little clip that's right there by the shackle link. And then the front spring, that guy's pretty flat. Look at that guy over there. Right, so we're basically gonna tell him he needs some new springs as well. And that could be because of the force of this guy breaking here. But yeah, that's pretty bad. So, all right, well, whoops, losing my balance. All right, well, stay tuned for more. And it looks like he took off the model. Oh no, he covered it up because he added the handle on there, but I'll try to figure out what model number it is as well. But anyway, stay tuned for more. If you haven't checked out our other videos on the road, on the Dexter Easy Flex kit, check that out. It's one of the best kits out there. I was actually somebody here yesterday that took him inside and was explaining it to him that piece is now two separate pieces with the big rubber bushing inside, and it's greasable, and then the shackle links, of course, are like 3 times the size compared to the standard ones. So the new ones, they won't break off there. So anyways, stay tuned for more, and I will post it as we get back into this one. Thanks so much for watching.